What's going on? Today we are going to bury this book right here. It is basically a book that I made for my last show. I had to learn how to bind books, but this art piece right here in the form of a book was for my last show that really talked about sort of the future. And it was part of a exhibit where I turned the space into a museum, and every piece in the museum was dedicated to this band in the future, and every piece would also be sort of like the artwork as well. So it's like an art show, but you're in a museum and you're learning about a story in the future that I created. And this book was for one of the characters that I made up. And basically this is the book that they would write in. But when I'm talking about the future and creating different pieces, I would have to sort of talk about the materials in the book as well, or what materials are people using in the future. So this book has seeds embedded in each of the pages. So it's seeded paper, and it's from a local company in Boulder, Colorado. So basically went up there, got the pages, and sort of learned how to bind books myself, and made this book for the show. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw it into a bucket full of soil and just watch it grow over the course of 1 to 2 months, because, you know, the art piece is in sort of the discarding of the book and watching it grow over time. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully you enjoy it, because, you know, as an artist, you want to sort of see your pieces do what they're intended to do. So, you know, I actually have to destroy the current state of the book to actually sort of give it the opportunity to perform its sort of art. So that's what we're going to do.
So cool, and it's cool to live, and it's cool, so cool, and it's cool, and it's cool, and it's cool, so cool, and it's cool to live.
Question, maybe you can help me find direction. I'm a DJ in your town, looking for direction. Matter of fact, the produce section. Can I get more? On the way to school, walking by the prison door. Plus 2 liquor stores and a dog park. Talk about an eyesore when the post park. Have you ever seen a collard green when they grow up? No, show enough. But why they murder kings though? Because they scared of a brother who knows how to grow. Plus you got the hip hop dress, no process. Only eat that vegan food. I digest deeper than a subway. See me in the underground, living in the earthship, living off my urban sound. Gotta keep it fresh and get some land and maintain. Cause everywhere I go, see things ain't the same. Everywhere I go, son, things ain't the same, man.
And it's cool, 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 so cool, and it's cool to live, and it's cool, so cool, and it's cool, and it's cool, and it's cool, so cool, and it's cool to live, and it's cool. And
So
it's cool.
everything was working out perfectly. All the flowers were blooming. I had some die because basically I had to leave for a little bit and forget to water or have someone water it, so some of the seedlings died, but you know, a lot of them still sort of grew. And then I eventually gave it to my friend DJ Kavam, who's a food justice artist who does a lot with the community and all about sustainable living and growing your own food. So I gave it to him as a present. So we went to his house to actually bury it. So you can kind of see, you know, the book is still in like the shape of the bucket. And basically he planted it, and now it's growing in front of his house. So this is a project where the art is being used as it was intended to be in a fictitious story. So I hope you like seeing the book change over time. A lot of times art is not always about the physical aspect, it's about the concept, it's about embedding thought into the materials, embedding thought into the process of it. So next time you're in your studio creating work, I want you to think about that and how you can sort of do the same, embedding thought into every aspect of the work that you are trying to create. And I will see you next time. Peace.